Understanding layer height, a key concept in 3D printing. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, layer height. This term is commonly used in the world of 3D printing, and understanding its meaning can help you grasp some basic principles of this innovative technology. Let's dive in and learn about layer height together. Layer height refers to the thickness of each layer in a 3D printed object. Imagine 3D printing as building something layer by layer, much like stacking thin sheets of paper to form a thicker pile. The height of each of these paper sheets, in the context of 3D printing, is what we call the layer height. It's usually measured in millimeters, and plays a crucial role in determining the quality and print time of the 3D object. The importance of layer height lies in its impact on the final product. A smaller layer height means finer details and a smoother surface but increases the printing time. On the other hand, a larger layer height speeds up the printing process but might result in a rougher texture and less detail. It's a balance between quality and efficiency. This concept is vital for anyone interested in 3D printing, as it directly affects how your final object looks and feels. Let's consider a practical example. Suppose you are printing a small, detailed figurine. You would likely opt for a smaller layer height to capture all the details. However, if you're printing a basic, functional object like a box, a larger layer height might be preferable for quicker production. I hope this explanation helps clarify what layer height means in the context of 3D printing. Remember, it's all about the thickness of each layer in a printed object, impacting both the quality and the production time. Thanks for joining us today, and keep exploring new terms and concepts to enhance your English language skills. See you in the next video.